Tired of staring at a blank screen, desperate for video ideas? You're not alone. Creative block hits everyone. But today, we're going to break through it using AI. Welcome back to ITMaster. In this video, you'll learn how to use powerful AI tools to generate unique content ideas that will set your channel apart from the competition. What you'll learn: how to prompt AI to brainstorm fresh, original video ideas. Which tools to use for creative and trending topics. Real examples you can apply right now. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas. Start with a targeted prompt like: give me 10 unique YouTube video ideas about cybersecurity trends in 2025. You'll instantly get fresh, niche-specific ideas. Want better results? Feed in your past video titles and ask, what are some fresh video ideas I haven't covered yet? It helps the AI avoid repetition and keeps your content fresh. Step 2. Tap into VidIQ or TubeBuddy AI features. These platforms have built-in AI tools to help with more than just SEO. Use their AI title generators or keyword tools to find trending topics, and match those with your style or audience. This is where you get ahead of the trend curve. Step 3. Organize ideas with Notion AI or Trello plus AI. Set up idea clusters like tutorials, product reviews, tips and tricks. Use Notion AI to fill each category with titles and outlines. Now you have a living idea bank, structured, searchable, and ready to film. Pro tips: don't just take the first output from the AI. Ask follow-up prompts like: make it more controversial. Target beginners. Include trending keywords. This helps refine and personalize the content for your channel's voice. Keep your AI-assisted content bank updated weekly. You'll never run out of ideas. That's how you turn AI from a tool into a creative partner. No more staring at a blank screen. No more guessing what to make next. Use these tools to fuel your content machine with original, engaging ideas that actually work. If you found this useful, drop a comment with your favorite AI tool or the best idea you got from this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a creator who needs this. This is ITMaster, Tech Made Useful. See you in the next one.